Dear students, my name is Daria and I'm glad to say hi to you today from Canada, representing Wilfrid Laurier International College, which is located in a wonderful city of Brantford, not far from Toronto. Wilfrid Laurier International College is offering programs of foundation and first year of your bachelor's degree with a guaranteed transfer to the second year of your bachelor's at Wilfrid Laurier University. Our institution was ranked #1 in Canada for quality of instructors and is in top 5 university for student satisfaction, which means you will start your bachelor degree in Canada smoother, having more attention from qualified teachers and friendlier community, which will guarantee your future success. At Wilfrid Laurier International College, we know how important it is to choose a measure of your future successful career. So all our programs are current and will provide the best necessary knowledge for your future success. We're offering a wide range of programs such as business technology management, economics and financial management, data science, computer science, communication studies, film studies, community health, and last but not least, our unique measure of user experience design. These are not all the range of our programs, and we are offering many more as well. So start your exciting educational journey with WLIC for your future successful career in Canada or any country of your choice. Feel free to reach out to our reliable and long-term partner, Canam. Book appointments with your Canam counselors to meet with me from April 15th to April 23rd, or a date and time slot convenient to you. We look forward to having you at Wilfrid Laurier International College, Canada.